Hi guys, today we are going to talk about databases and DBMS. Many people get confused between database and DBMS. In this video, we will get basic clarity about these two terms. Okay, first, what is a database? A database is a place used to store data in the form of tables. We can easily insert, update, retrieve, and delete data from it. In simple words, a database is a collection of tables. Now, what does Database Management System, or DBMS, mean? A DBMS is a platform that allows us to manage databases and perform operations on them. It provides a platform to perform operations like insert, delete, update, and retrieve data from databases. Examples of DBMS are MySQL, Oracle, and others. We can also say that a DBMS is a tool used to manage databases.